Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS colors. And right now we will continue our discussion on CSS RGB color value. So let's continue. In CSS, a color can be specified as RGB value using this formula: RGB, red, green, and blue. RGB, opening and closing bracket, along with red, green, and blue value, but you can specify this by using the number. It's going to be numeric, not in text like this. So I'm going to show you how this works. Always remember that you are going to have comma. If you write red, you could put comma. Write green, you add comma. Blue, no commas. So the blue will not have comma because it's the last. So let's continue. Each parameter, red, green, and blue, defines the intensity of the color between 0 and 255. For example, RGB 255 0, 0 is displayed as red because red is set to its highest value, 255. Once again, when you have RGB inside your opening and closing bracket, you have RGB 255, 0, 0. Definitely, it is going to display as red because red is set to its highest value, 255, and the others are set to 0. To display black, set all color parameters to 0 like this: RGB 0, 0, 0. It will change all the colors to black because definitely we are saying everything should be in dark mode. You bring them to the lowest. And also, to display white, set all color parameters to 255 like this: RGB bracket, inside the bracket you have 255, 255, and 255. It's going to display white. Experimenting by mixing the RGB values below. This kind of RGB value right here is going to give us color like this kind of color. So the red color light value is 255, the first 255 you can find here, and the green color light value is also 255, but if you specify 99, definitely you are bringing it to its lowest value. If you bring in blue also and you give it this 71, the 71 is not the highest, you should know. It's definitely you are trying to mix red, green, and blue values together in different ways, in different levels. So that's how everything goes from R, G, B. Can you see red is here? Right here we are having blue, and right here we mix red and blue and the green together. Right here also we mix red, blue, green together. Right here also we mix red, blue, green together. So, and again, I want you to note one thing. If you want gray colors, shades of gray, defined using equal values for all the three lights. This is what they mean by shades of gray. As you can see, this value is having equal values, equal values, equal values, equal values. So this is what I can show you for now. In our next tutorial, we'll be exploring it on how we can create this in sensitive manner. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. To our next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. And to the next.